Hi, Farmer Allison here. We are going to be doing an activity today where we are plant detectives. So that means we are going to be figuring out what makes a plant a plant. So you are going to need to find two plants, two living things. So that could be a bug, maybe a pet, it could be a person. And then you need to find 4 other items that can be anything that you want. You are going to set those items on a table, and then we are going to move to the next part, which is where we are going to be comparing the items to see which one of them is a plant and what makes it a plant. All right, now that we have our 8 items laid out on the table, we are going to become detectives and try to figure out which of these items are plants or not. So we're going to do this by asking ourselves the question, what is a plant? So go ahead and get out a piece of paper and take a minute to write down what you think of when you think of what makes a plant a plant. So I'm going to start by making my list. So when I think of plants, one of the things that comes to mind is they are green. Another thing when I think of plants is they are alive. And let's see, I think of where they grow, and I know that plants like to live in the dirt. Some other things about plants is that you can eat them. And lastly, when I think of plants, I think of the fact that they get their energy from the sun. So go ahead and finish making your list, and then we will move to the next part of the activity. Now that you have made your list, we are going to go over the list that I made. So what we're going to do is we are going to look at the different words that I wrote down and see if these words can also describe the other items on the table to try and figure out what on this list is unique or special to just the plants on the table. Okay, so we're gonna go first with the first word up here, and that is green. So yes, plants are green, but so is this coffee mug. So just because it's green does not mean that it is a plant. The next word on the list is alive. So yes, plants are alive, but so is the snail, and so is the cat. So just because it's alive does not mean it is a plant. Next on the list, we said that plants live in dirt, which is true. A lot of plants do like to live in dirt, but so do rocks. Rocks live in the dirt. So just because it lives in the dirt does not mean that it is a plant. Okay, eat them. Yes, lots of different plants we can eat, but we can also eat this cake. So just because you can eat it does not mean that it is a plant. Okay, last thing on our list, gets its energy from the sun. Looking at all the items on the table, the only things on here that get their energy from the sun are the plants. So that would be the cactus, and that would be the flower. So that's how we know that plants are unique, because they get their energy from the sun. Good job being plant detectives today. We learned that plants get their energy from the sun. So the next time you guys are outside or in your yard, I challenge you to think about how exactly do plants get their energy from the sun.